A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We have learned about mean and median and how to find mean and median from a given data. Now, let's see how to calculate mean and median if the questions arise in another way. Let's start with a problem. The table shows the workers in a factory sorted according to their wages. How do we compute median daily wage in this factory? Here, the table is divided into two columns as daily wages and number of workers. It is also a frequency table, right? In this table, we can't clearly understand the daily wages of individual workers. Here, the daily wages are given as certain classes. That is, here the number of workers earns daily wages between 400 and 500 rupees is 6. Like this, in between 500 and 600 rupees is 7. From the table, we can find that the total number of workers is 41. Now, we have to find median based on these data. What we want to calculate is the daily wage of the worker in the middle when the workers are arranged in the order from the one earning the least to the one earning the most. Here, there are 41 workers in all. So, the one in the middle is the 21st in this order. That is, if we have to find the median based on such a frequency table, first of all, we have to find the total numbers and then identify the middle frequency. Now, let's convert the given table like this. Here, the difference is that we will represent the daily wages in another way. And also, we are going to represent the number of workers or frequency as cumulative frequency. That is, here the number of workers earning daily wages between 400 and 500 can be represented as the number of workers earning daily wages below 500. And the number of workers earning daily wages below 500 rupees can be written as 6. Like this, the number of workers earning daily wage in between 500 and 600 can be represented as below 600. And here, the number of workers earning daily wages below 600 include the workers belongs to the 400 to 500 class and 500 to 600 class. That is, the total number of workers earning daily wages below 600 is equal to 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Like this, the number of workers earning daily wages between 600 and 700 can be represented as below 700 and the total number of workers are 6 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to 23. The number of workers earning daily wages between 700 and 800 can be represented as below 800 and the total number of workers are 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to 32. Like this, the number of workers earning daily wages between 800 and 900 can be represented as below 900 and the total number of workers are 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 37. And the last one, the number of workers earning the daily wages between 900 and 1000 can be represented as below 1000 and the number of total workers are 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 41. We see from the table that when we take together all the earnings less than 600 rupees a day, then we reach up to the 30th person. And when we take together all those earnings less than 700 rupees a day, then we reached up to the 23rd person. The 21st person we seek is between them. Thus, we find that his daily wage is between 600 and 700 rupees. What do we do to make this more exact? We only know that the 10 workers from 14th to 23rd earns between 600 and 700 rupees. We don't know what the actual earning of each is. So, we need to make some assumptions. We make some assumptions when we calculated the mean from a table involving classes and frequencies. Here, we divide 100 rupees from 600 to 700 into 10 equal parts and assume that each of these subdivisions containing exactly one person. Suppose that the daily wage of each of these workers is the mid value of the class to which he belongs. That means the daily wage of 40th person belongs to the subclass 600 to 610 is the middle value of this class. So, the daily wage of 40th person is equal to 600 plus 610 the whole divided by 2 is equal to 605. Like this, the daily wage of the 50th person is the mid value of the subclass 610 to 620 and it is equal to 610 plus 620 the whole divided by 2 is equal to 615. So, we can easily find the daily wage of person belongs to a certain subclass. Now, we can compute the daily wage of the 21st worker. His daily wage is the mid value of the subclass 670 to 680. That is 670 plus 680 the whole divided by 2 is equal to 675. So, we can say that the median of the daily wage is equal to 675, right? We can calculate this without drawing pictures. How do we compute the median wage on the basis of assumptions regarding the arrangement of workers? The daily wage of 14th worker is 605 rupees. The daily wage of each one thereafter till the 23rd increases by 10 rupees. To reach the 21st worker, we want from the 14th we must take 7 more workers. Now, it is an arithmetic problem, isn't it? What number do we get if we start from 605 and add 10 repeatedly 7 times? We can calculate is as 605 plus 7 into 10 is equal to 675. Let's do one such problem without drawing pictures. The table shows the employees in an office sorted according to their age. We want to compute the median age. Here, the total number is 46, which is an even number. So, we arrange the employees from the youngest to the oldest and take half the sum of the ages of the 23rd and 24th person as the median age. First, let's write the cumulated frequencies. We have already learned how to write cumulated frequencies. For example, the class 25 to 30 can be represented as below 30. Like this, each class can be represented as below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50 and below 55. Then, the number of employees in each class is written in corresponding column. That is, the number of workers having age below 30 is 4. The number of workers having age below 35 is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Like this, the number of workers having age below 40 is 4 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 90. The number of workers having age below 45 is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 29. The number of workers having age below 50 is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to 38 and the number of workers having age below 55 is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 46. Now, we want to compute the median age. According to this, the age of the 10th person from the 20th to 29th position in the order of ages are between 40 and 45. The persons in the 23rd and 24th position whom we want are in this group. As in the previous problem, we divide the 5 years between 40 and 45 into 10 equal parts and assume that each subdivision contains one person whose age is the mid value of his class. Then each subdivision is 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2 year. The age of the 20th person is the mid value of 40 and 41 by 2, which is 41 by 4. Our assumption means the age of each succeeding person increases by 1 by 2 year till the 29th. So, the age of the 23rd person is equal to 41 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 41 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 41 3 by 4. And the age of the 24th person is 41 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 42 1 by 4. Now, to get the median age, we take half the sum of these two. That is, half into 41 3 by 4 plus 42 1 by 4 is equal to half into 84 is equal to 42. So, the median age is 42. In this example, the persons in the 23rd and 24th position are in the same class 40 to 45. In context where there is not so, we compute the median in the slightly different manner. Let's see one such problem. The table shows the children of class sorted according to their marks in an exam. We want to compute the median mark. For that, first of all, let's write the cumulated frequencies. So, we get a table like this. From the table, we can see that the number of children have marks below 10 is 4. Below 20 is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Below 30 is 4 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 20. Below 40 is 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 is equal to 32. And below 50 is 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 8 is equal to 40. Here, if we arrange the children from the one with least mark to the one with the greatest, then the number of children with marks below 30 is 20, which is exactly half the total number of 40 children. In this case, we take 30 itself as the median mark. The justification for this is that half the total number of children have marks below 30 and half of them have marks 30 or more. So, in this chapter, we have learned about mean and median and how to find mean and median from a given data or frequency table. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.